Are you finding that the volume during your FaceTime calls on your iPhone is just way too loud? It can definitely be a bit jarring and uncomfortable. This problem could stem from some setting adjustments or a few pesky software glitches. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through some super effective solutions to help you dial in those volume levels for a much more pleasant calling experience. So let's jump right in. Solution 1. Adjust the volume during a call. When you're on a FaceTime call, go ahead and use the volume up and volume down buttons to locate it on the side of your phone. Press the volume down button to lower the call volume to a level that feels comfortable for you. Solution 2. Check and adjust audio settings. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find the option and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Under the Ringer and Alert section, use the slider to tweak the volume. This adjustment will also affect the FaceTime call volume when someone calls you. Solution 3. Restart FaceTime. Sometimes a quick restart can clear up temporary glitches. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Swipe up on the FaceTime app to close it completely. Now reopen the FaceTime app and check the volume again while on a call. If you've tried everything else and still have no luck, you might want to reset your settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone again. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and choose Reset All Settings. By following these steps, you should be able to tackle that excessively loud volume during your FaceTime calls on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. I can't wait to see you in the next video.